this is Madhuri. In this video I am going to discuss about ratio test and root test. So first of all let us discuss about ratio test. So ratio test, if summation un is a series of positive terms such that limit n tends to infinity, un plus 1 by un equals to lambda. So it should satisfy the three conditions. First, lambda less than 1. Then summation un is convergent. If this lambda is less than 1 means summation un is convergent. If lambda greater than 1 means summation un is divergent. If in case this lambda equals to 1, then it does not exist. Now let us discuss an example of ratio test. Determine the convergence of series summation 3n minus 1 by 2 power n by ratio test. Here given un equals 3n minus 1 by 2 power n. Un plus 1 equals to 3 into n plus 1 minus 1 as it is by 2 power n plus 1, which is equals to 3 into n, 3n plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 by 2 power n plus 1, which is equals to 3n plus 3 minus 1, 3n plus 2 by 2 power n plus 1. un plus 1 equals to 3n plus 2 by 2 power n plus 1. Now limit, as we discussed in the definition, limit n tends to infinity, un plus 1 by un plus 1 by un, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. What is un plus 1 here? 3n plus 2 by 2 power n plus 1 by, what is un here? 3n minus 1 by 2 power n, which is equals to n tends to infinity, 3n plus 2. Now this 2 power n goes this side, so into 2 power n by 2 power n plus 1 as it is into, now this 3n minus 1 goes this side into 3n minus 1, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity, 3n plus 2 into 2 power n. Now this 2 power n plus 1 can be written as 2 power n into 2 power 1 into 3n minus 1 as it is. Now this 2 power n both are cancelled. So what is remaining here? Which is equals to limit n tends to infinity, 3n plus 2 by 2 into 3n minus 1, which is equals to, now we have to take this 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2 into limit, if n tends to infinity then 1 by n tends to 0. So 1 by 2 we are taking outside, limit 1 by 2 into limit 1 by n tends to 0. Now here we have to take n common. So n into 3 plus 2 by n by n into 3 minus 1 by n. Now both n's are cancelled. Now we have to substitute this 1 by n equals to 0 in this. So that equals to, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 plus 2 into 0 by 3 minus 0, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 plus 0 means 3 by 3 minus 0 means 3. So here both 3's are cancelled, which is equals to 1 by 2 into, both 3's are cancelled means 1 by 2 into 1, which is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means it is less than 1. So if lambda value is less than 1 means summation un is convergent. Therefore the given series is convergent. Let us discuss about root test. So root test, if summation un is a positive series, if this summation un is a positive series such that limit n tends to infinity, un power 1 by n equals to lambda, then it should satisfy the three conditions. That is, first one, summation un is convergent. If the summation un is convergent, if lambda less than 1 means summation un is convergent. If lambda greater than 1 means summation un is divergent. If lambda equals to 1 means it does not exist, means the root test fails here. Now let us discuss example problem. Determine the convergence of series summation n by 3 power n by root test. Given un equals to, what is given here? Un equals to n by 3 power n. So, type of this definition, limit n tends to infinity un power 1 by n, which is equals to limit n tends to infinity. So, what is un here? N by 3 power n whole power 1 by n. So, this can be written as limit n tends to infinity n power. Now, this can be written as n power 1 by n 3 power n into 1 by n equals to limit n tends to infinity n power 1 by n by 3. So, which is equals to, now this 1 by 3 goes outside, which is equals to 1 by 3 into limit n tends to infinity n power, what is remaining here? N power 1 by n, which is equals to, since limit n tends to infinity n power 1 by n equals to 1. So this is the formula. So 1 by 3 into limit n tends to infinity n power 1 by n means 1 into 1. So 1 by 3 is less than 1. So if lambda is less than 1 means summation un is convergent. So this lambda is less than 1. Then we can say that a given series is convergent. Therefore the given series is convergent. This is the solution.